Now, what if we want to retract your video from publication? So at the moment we see our test video DH021 test 12 has been published because it simply said yes, and if we drop back into Blackboard we can see that video. So to retract the video, it's quite simple. What we need to do is go along to the left hand side and you'll see a little checkbox. Check the box next to the video that we want retracting. And then if we go up to actions at the very top, just simply go start task like so. You get a window up here. We're quite happy with the video that needs to be retracted. Go next. We need to select the workflow, which it's basic task, that's retract. Now it's quite important here, if we want to get back into the video to re-edit and trim, etc., we need to uncheck preview and editing media. So make sure preview and editing is unchecked. Hit next, happy with the summary, create, and go back to our video. And we'll see that test video is now processing. Running, it simply means processing. And we also see the status is still published. So when the status changes or the publish field for your video goes blank, like so, we'll be able to see that that video has now been retracted. So if I go back to my playback stream in Blackboard or the KLE, let's go back to my playback stream like so, hit the playback tool, and we can see the DH0-21 has now been retracted from publication, and there's only one test in there. So the control of trimming, of publication is completely in your hands. Now if we did actually want to publish the video again or trim the video again, just go through the same process. Select the view tool and we back into the review and trimming space. Okay, so if I wanted to publish again, simply trim and publish and save. Now, if after 48 hours you've actually chosen not to publish or trim your video will be published into your playback stream within the KLE. So that's a useful thing to remember. It's 48 hours and then publication takes place automatically. But it's within your control to review, edit, and publish. If your video is published after 48 hours and you choose to retract that video, then you can do that as well. Just come back into your management space and retract the video as I've just shown you there. So I think that covers the retraction and publication.